In this video, I'll show you how to remove and attach your straps on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. So if you want to remove your straps, all you have to do is flip over your Smart Band and you should see this this button next to each strand or strap. So all you have to do is press in this particular button and pull out that particular strand or band. So just press it in. Here it is. Press it in. Once it's pressed in, you can just pull out and that should remove the strand. You can repeat the same process with the other side. So find that button, press it in and pull out and that should remove the strands. Now to attach the bands or strands back to the Xiaomi is pretty simple. All you have to do is grab the strand and then align it within this opening. So simply align that band on that particular opening and then press it in and it should click in place, indicating that it has been successfully inserted properly. So repeat the same process for the other band. So simply align it and then press it in and it should successfully attach that particular strands or your strands. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.